Got half your contract because of the looks. The last 2 years is going to be modelling. Look, Dale, you don't have to play this year. You just need to do the jersey picture. Good ball. Hey. Nice. Flip. Check it off. Fence. Nick. You drop back. Touch behind. This is where the quad burn comes in. Go there. 1, 2. And then back foot straight away there. Happy enough?
What do you do?
2, 1. Ready? Yeah. Let's go. Nice. Stop off. Yeah. Watch. Yep. Yep. Nice. Straight away. Back foot. Fence. Nice. Yeah. Well done. Thank you. Well stand there. Yep. Open. Nice. Nice. Well done. Yep. Deal. Good. Yep. Good scale. Yep. Oh, 2 more. 2 more. Keep breathing. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Right. Double bounce. 1, 2. Only little adjustment that pass.
Fuck man.
You see that? Like in the way you swim.
Oh, it looks really good.
It's mine. Back up. Switch. Good you. Hit. Right. Yep. Back up straight away. Walk the feet. Touch. Good. Nice you. Keep breathing. Oh, last one. 1 back up. Fence. Touch. Yeah. 2 bounces. 1 there. Little brainer. Nice. Woo! Goal time. Yeah, so you touch the liver on the second one. I'll drop it inside and I'll run and defend it. Take me on. You can either go inside and finish, or if you want to go end line, Morgan will be there for a putback. Yeah. Yeah. Get Morgan working. Find me, I'll deliver. What? Please. Finished there. Great area. Oh. Yeah. Wow. Well, get out of your feet. Good area. Yeah. Good. Go pick it up. Good ball. Hey. Great area. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for ringing. 2. Technique. What? Look at MB. Oh yeah. Ass. It didn't work. Sure, it didn't count. Do your job. Yep. Yeah. One. Oh. Yep. Oh. Finish, Andy. Oh. Area. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's you. Shoot. Ah! Yeah, lovely. You're going to play on your left, like shape up, and then that last second, that little cut down the line and then wrap it with your right. Yeah. Back from the steps, so you can wrap it obviously. And when you then put this way, yeah, exactly, because like that, you shape up and they rob a yard and your foot is good, all of a sudden, if they went that way, it's like that, that moves across the face, yeah, and you can do it with your right, you can add loads of pace to it, yeah? Yeah. Yep. So foot in, shape up, and break it, yeah, nice. Areas. And more, yeah. Go on, don't be the one who misses. Go on, get off that. Shape it onto your left first. Go on, and cut. Good area. Ah, yes. Hello.